Hello everybody, it's Lazer Turret once again. Here we have a vintage Magnavox full range speaker. This guy is going to be our guest in getting plugged into the wall. This is the first time we've ever done this, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, fuck! Is that it?
That's it.
Oh!
Wow.
Did the tinsel leads come off? Yep, they sure did.
That's cool.
And here is its brother. This one's locked solid, however, because we tried to separate the magnet off. You can see how it was knocked out of alignment, so we're going to have to do something a little bit different. Hopefully I can do this and you guys can see. Basically we're going to do the smoke bomb effect, which essentially involves, if we can keep the tinsel leads connected, you basically cut the cone open. I'm going to do that with this lovely Stanley knife here. If you cut the suspension, it's not going to matter. Or the spider, whatever you want to call it. Same shit. It doesn't matter if the coil gets jammed as I'm pulling it out, because we're going to be blowing it anyway. So essentially what's going to happen is, it's going to burn. I might have to cut the suspension here, guys. Once again, does not matter. Sometimes the best lessons are the ones where you show what not to do. What I should have done, had I not been in such a hurry, is cut the outside of the cone. Then tried to dislodge it, because now I think I've wrecked our show. Play the violins, right? So sad. But you know what? I think we have a couple more speakers to blow up. We consider that one dead, and we'll move on. Because I wouldn't think it would do anything anyway if we just plugged it in, because it's all jammed inside the... See, look how jammed that is. Because there's a big gap here, small gap here. It's locked the voice coil nice and solid. But yeah, I accidentally ripped the tinsel leads off. I think they were actually already disconnected from the coil anyway, so... Let's get a tweeter. I have a tweeter to this, and we'll see how that does plugging into the wall. So I guess we'll continue on with the one good speaker that we have left, and that would be this Magnavox tweeter, which came from the same set of speakers. See how that handle's getting plugged into the wall, eh? Hopefully this one doesn't short out like the Magnavox full range one did. Words are so difficult, aren't they? Alright. So, see you in a little bit when we plug this in. We're ready for this, guys. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, fuck. That was loud. Oh. There we go. Oh, she stinks. Right, that's all we have for today. 3 demolished Magnavox speakers. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next video.